Welcome to my YouTube channel. We are creating a call to action button. To do that, go to a page, you need to add a call to action button. Open it. After opening it, assuming this is your, you have designed your page like this and you need to add a call to action button. Get a button, drop down, moment, as I update this. Moment. So get your button, drop there, then you can style it, say contact us. You can either add an icon of a phone, then you can put it like that. To add call to us, contact us call to action button via the link. Type TEL, then you add the contact. Either you put the country code like plus 256, then you put the number like that, or you can add any number on your contact number. Then after that, you can update. After updating, you can preview it just like this, or you can get call to action, add it there like that. You can make all of this linkable. By doing that, we can add here like an image. For example, this one. Then we style, change the background according to how you need it. Then we can add the link to all this. To do that, come to content, come here, then change this one to contact us. Then you put here the telephone number, for example, start with TAL. Then put the contact, for example, plus 256, in any of this kind. So after that, you can now update. Then from here, right now it's only click on a button. So what we want to click anywhere here. So what you do, click on change the link on whole box. So anywhere you click from here to direct. So if you preview, this is how it looks like. It looks like that. So once you click on this, it takes you to a call to action sends to your phone. But now for me here, it is not enabled. That's why I'm unable to send it to my phone. But that's how you can create it.